Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill, how to make a schedule in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing your schoolwork, planning your weekly tasks, or just want a cleaner way to see your responsibilities, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to create a polished, shareable schedule, completely for free right inside Google Sheets. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to be on Google Sheets' main homepage. This is what I like to call the lobby, the place you land before you open or create any sheet. If you're not sure how to get there, just type Google Sheets into your browser and click the first link or go to sheetsgoogle.com. You might need to log into your Google account if you aren't already. No worries if you have to take a second for that. Once you're at the lobby, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Template Gallery. It might be hiding at first, depending on your screen size. Sometimes you have to click a little drop-down arrow to expand all the templates. Give that a click. Now, these templates are a real time saver because Google has pre-designed a bunch of slick sheets for you to customize, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Scroll down just a bit and keep an eye out for the template named Schedule. It sometimes appears grouped with other time-related templates like calendars, so just look for the one labeled Schedule. When you find it, go ahead and click. It might take a second to load, especially if your internet is a bit slow. Totally normal. Now you're looking at a beautifully formatted schedule ready for you to adapt. Right at the top, you'll see the title area, and this is where you can personalize your schedule for your needs. Maybe call it Work Schedule for June or Family Chores Planner, whatever suits your purpose. To change the schedule title, just click in that cell, erase what's there, and type in your custom name. This helps keep everything organized and instantly recognizable, especially if you think you'll be making more than one schedule over time. Next, check out the columns and rows. They're designed to represent time slots and dates, giving you a visual map of your week or month. You might see hours listed from morning till evening or days of the week across the top, depending on the template version. Don't worry if the default setup isn't a perfect fit for your needs. You can always add or delete rows and columns or tweak the timing just like you would with any regular spreadsheet. To use the schedule, just click into any blank cell and start typing your commitments. Maybe soccer practice at 4 p.m., a meeting with a client, or even reminders like pay rent or call grandma. Because it's a spreadsheet, you have total flexibility. Color code important to-dos, use bold for deadlines, get as creative or as functional as you need to be. Down below the main schedule, you might notice some extra sections labeled Notes and To-Do. This is a great spot to jot down details that don't fit into a specific time slot, things like general reminders, important contacts, or even goals for the week. Don't skip this section. It can be a real lifesaver when things get busy. And that's honestly all it takes to get your schedule up and running in Google Sheets. So much easier than building one from scratch, and you can access it anywhere you're logged into Google. No more lost planners or sticky notes. If something doesn't look quite right, or you want to personalize the colors or fonts, play around and make it yours. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, and if you have any questions about customizing your schedule, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials just like this one. Until next time, keep your schedule organized, and I'll see you in the next video.